this video. So in today's video we are going to start our first design, and we shall be designing a quote. We shall be doing a quote design. So first of all, this is my pixel app working space. The first thing I will do here is to put in my background, and I would like to put a white background. So I will click on the background tool. Then from then I will choose color. Make sure that your color tool is highlighted, not the gradient but this color. So I will choose a white background. From there I will try and modify my quote to have some beauty. Now what I'm saying is I will go to shape, bring in a shape. I will change the color of this shape to black. I will try to reduce the canvas size, and also I will go to radius, increase the radius to 5. Okay, so leave it here. I'll do a copy of this. I'll copy that same shape. I'll go to edit. If you look at your far left, you have edit. I'll go now to opacity. I will increase the opacity, reduce the opacity, sorry. I go to stroke, increase the stroke to about, let me take 3. Then now the stroke color, let me use blue. Okay, so now I will reposition this. I will resize and reposition, be in this form, something like this. I'm just trying to be creative to bring up something good. Now click OK. Okay, so I think this is good. Again, let me put in another item here. Just follow what I'm doing here. I want to put in some dots, so this is what I'll be using. 5. I go the same 5. This one is just to put some beauty on the design, to make the design look unique. Okay, I think this is okay. So what I will do now is I'll go to my style. I click on bold. Then I'll come to line spacing. I reduce the line spacing. So this one I'll place here. I'll send behind. I'll do a copy of that. Place here. Also send behind. Okay. I think I'm good to go with this. So let me bring in my quote icon, inverted commas, open and close. So start with this. I will enlarge and we increase the size. I'll put on that white surface, this black surface. I'll change the color to white. Okay, so I'll copy it and do same. Okay, we are good to go. So I'll close this so that they won't shift from their original position. So what is the quote now? If you look at the top of your screen, you will see quote icon here. This is it here. So you just click on it. They'll get access to so many quotes. So you choose any of your choice. Let me choose this one. You need to overcome the talk of people against you as you reach your higher goals. So I'll take this one. I'll come to color. We change the color to white. We reposition to fit in here. Okay, now let me reduce the size. Okay, place this one here. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, so you just try this out and see how it goes. Yeah, thanks for watching.